One of the neat areas of focus expertise for us are developers, folks that are building logistics parks in particular. Many times they're out marketing to customers. They're saying, here's my site, I want these types of customers, and that's where it begins. And the average rentable square foot is this price, and so let's go to market. And I think the missing opportunity there has been partnering with a company like Allied, where we become part of that team. And why that's important is because it's sales, and inevitably you're out promoting your logistics park to potential clients, and they're talking with you and they're negotiating with you. And some of that negotiation comes down to the type of structure you're going to develop for them. Sometimes it's just pure cost, and you're out trying to sell that. Well, I think it's important to have a company like Allied as a partner through that process. And it's something we're willing to do with clients before they even contract with us.